I wasn't too familiar with Billy Sherrill, of course. I was familiar with some of the songs, and of course, I did some research into my character and found out that he was one of the most influential songwriters, producers, and A&R man during the 60s and 70s. Music. I was not as familiar with Tammy Wynette's songbook, so it has taken me quite some time to get used to it, to do some research, to find out the songs that I liked. I was telling someone that I didn't know that Billy Sherrill wrote Delta Dawn, what's that flower you got on, and songs like that that are very familiar to me, but I just didn't know of his involvement in the creation of those and the creation of many of these legends of country music. When I first came to to Columbia, I had done a lot of work in theater all over, and I looked for a theater that was doing quality, professional kind of productions, and I found Town Theater. It, among a few, were doing those kind of productions, and so the very first show that I did was here at Town Theater in 1998, West Side Story, and I was Bernardo. And I've been blessed to do quite a few shows here over the years. Most recently, I was the engineer in Miss Saigon. I was in Les Mis. I did Oklahoma here. I was even more blessed and honored to do the role of Sitting Bull, an illustrious Native American leader and spiritual person in Annie Get Your Gun here. And so Town is sort of a home theater for me. I'm Will Moreau. Come see our production of Stand By Your Man, the Tammy Wynette story, at the Town Theater.